This actually looks pretty nice. You actually look pretty nice.
What's that supposed to mean, Marlon? Now you say I'm normally hideous? What's that supposed to mean?
Whatever you want it to mean.
Oh my God, I swear to God.
Meet Creditia. Creditia, like most of us, enjoys a good night's sleep of 8, 10, 12 hours, and then waking up to a hearty breakfast, the most important meal of the day or not. But like everyone else, she can always have Alexis order breakfast for her, doesn't everyone? Creditia lives on prime beachfront property because an inspiring view can make or break the day's hustle. After she's fueled up on a nutritious breakfast, she's ready to talk strategy, game plans, boss moves, real next level-ish. You know what I'm saying? Like what we all want to achieve. Yeah. Let those game-changing ideas flow. Creditia's up on current events, what's hot, what's not, what's trending, how many followers, the tea, the shade, and who's getting paid. Did I mention her credit score? Oh, it's in the high 400s, but don't worry, because what she does have are the finer things in life. Like a Connect at the Gucci store, a Groupon for P.F. Chang's for 4, a Birkin bag, the new, and even if her bills are not exactly paid, that income tax refund got her 2 of the hottest tickets in town. Yeah, you know the ones. Bill collector?
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is...
I won't even mention student loans. I mean, if you don't use the degree, do you still have to pay it back? Ask Creditia. If it's online ordering, Creditia and the FedEx dude are on a first-name basis. Amazon delivers to your house, your job, your church, a locker, and your card. That one-click option? Baby. You see, according to Creditia, you fake it till you make it. You gotta spend it to trend it. You have to look the part to get the part. The rest will sort itself out. You dig? Time to go make some money moves and get some new red bottom shoes while that credit card still works. Want to see more of Creditia? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.
I can't eat this.
Just look happy at least, Jesus.